Today is June 7th, and today we will be going through an update on Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. We'll look at how the rest of altcoins are doing and also touch in on Ethereum. So Bitcoin did have a bounce back over the last 24 hours. It's sitting in a place which I'd call no man's land, meaning it's not clear if we're going to just continue to go back up or if we're going to have more downside. We have a strong support line that Bitcoin could retrace down to, but it's pretty far down at around 84,000 right now. So on the daily chart, Bitcoin is still in a downtrend here. And we're just waiting to see when the MACD will cross over on Bitcoin to see what type of uptrend we will get after that MACD crossover. So the big question for me is, after this crossover, will the price of Bitcoin be able to exceed its all-time high? If not, we could be looking for more downtrend in the near future. Bitcoin dominance is still tracing through this very steady growth pattern, which it has been in for a couple of years now. I think this steady pattern is actually a really good sign. We'd really like this to continue as long as possible, because I believe this signifies that we are in a bull cycle for Bitcoin and all of crypto. I'm not sure if we're going to see it this time, but if we do see some type of sharp fall of this pattern down to somewhere around 45% or lower, that will signify that we are in alt season, and then that this whole entire bull cycle will be close to ending. So having this line gradually continue to increase, I believe, means that Bitcoin and all of altcoins are going to be gradually increasing in terms of price, and then hopefully setting up for that altcoin season where, the total crypto market cap explodes and does multiples of, say, 2 or 3x. Here's the weekly chart on total crypto. So we did have this pullback recently, as I'm sure most of you can tell from looking at your accounts. The good thing is we're still in this overall uptrend, I believe. The MACD for Total Crypto 3 is right about to cross over, but it looks like it's going a little sideways right now. But look here, this is where it crossed over in the last wave. And if you see here, that kind of kicked off this major run in Total Crypto 3. One thing to note, though, is the MACD is not a forward-looking indicator. It is just kind of telling you where we are at based on historic data. So anything can happen, but these indicators do show some type of historic patterns that often come true. I feel like the market is just gradually inching forward based on just positive overall sentiment, but it's really just waiting for some type of news to either boost or bring the markets down at any time. Here's Ethereum on the weekly time frame. So Ethereum is holding to this support line, which we have here. I believe this drop below the support line was the tariffs. And the MACD is about crossed over here. It has crossed over, but we haven't seen a huge boost on Ethereum. So there you have it. I think you just need to monitor the market, see where things go. Hopefully we get that huge news that we've been waiting for. I'd say just hang in there and keep up your good hopes.